Learners, good evening. Welcome to another special class. Hi learners, good evening. I welcome you to another session of Just 9 10 10. Welcome to the channel Just 9 10 10, a one-stop solution to your CBSE classes 9 and 10. In yesterday's class, we did the first chapter from your Beehive book, The Fun They Had, by Isaac Asimov. And today we will be discussing the question answers to that chapter. My name is Chandra Jain and I'm your English coach. Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Chandra. I have 3 plus years of experience and I've tutored more than 1500 students. So, as I told you, we did the chapter called The Fun They Had yesterday. We read the chapter, we discussed the difficult words, the possible question and answers. And who's the author? Isaac Asimov. In today's class, we will be discussing the question and answers, the NCERT question and answers. Before starting the class, I want to tell you something about the channel. Please download the Telegram app, which looks like this from the App Store or Play Store, and subscribe to our channel called Just 91010. And if you subscribe to the channel Just 91010, you will get all the updates about our classes. Classes of all the educators who teach on Just 91010. And the link to this profile, the link to the Telegram page is given in the description box below. So you can directly click on the link and you will be redirected to the page and you can click on this link. Now, if you're planning to take the subscription, Unacademy subscription, which is known as Unacademy Plus, these are the subscription plans. The subscription starts from 1 month and it is still 48 months, which is 4 years. So the cost of 1 month is 2,250 rupees, and we are available at a no cost EMI option from 6 months. So for 6 months, it's 9,000 rupees, and per month it is 1,500 rupees only. For 1 year, it is 1,125 rupees per month. For 2 years, it is 938 rupees per month. For 3 years, it is 900 rupees per month. And for 4 years, it is 750 per month. And do not forget to use my code Chandra10 for additional 10% discount. If you use my code Chandra10, you will get an additional 10% discount. These are the various modes of payment from which you can pay. Debit card, credit card, EMI options, UPI options, wallets, net banking. You can pay via debit card, credit card. You can pay via EMI options, which is per month. You can pay through a wallet of, Paytm wallet, or sorry, pay UPI options. You can pay from Paytm wallet, PayPal, Ola Money, and etc. And net banking is also an option. So please subscribe to Unacademy today and use my code Chandra10 for an additional 10% discount. Now, what are the benefits of subscribing to Plus? So, when you take Unacademy Plus, you get regular classes from your favorite educators, regular live classes. In the regular live classes, you are connected directly with the educator, in which you can chat with the educator, you can engage in discussions, you can answer polls, all the while the class is going on. Also, you can ask your doubts, and all your doubts will be answered immediately. Then we have regular doubt session. If you have doubts from outside NCERT books or from other study material, or if you want to relearn that topic, you can learn them in the regular doubt sessions. We have a regular doubt sessions in which you can clear your confusions. Then you get PDF notes. So there is no hassle of writing while you're attending the class. You will get notes, PDF notes after every class. Then you have unlimited access to the videos. You get unlimited access to the videos. You can watch those videos online as well as offline. And last but not the least, we have weekly tests and quizzes. We have weekly tests and quizzes in which you can gauge your performance. And if you think your performance is not up to the mark, you can relearn that topic in the doubt sessions. And you can eat the brains of your teachers unless and until you're totally satisfied in the doubt sessions. Then we have a then you take a iconic subscription. Iconic subscription is a level up. When you take iconic subscription, you are assigned a personal mentor that will give you guidance according related to your academic syllabus. You will get one-on-one guidance from the top-notch educators in the industry for all your academic concerns. Then you get live doubt sessions. You can attend exclusive doubt solving sessions to discuss your academic doubts from your personal mentors. You get a weekly report. This weekly report is personalized report for you, which will highlight your performance, which will highlight how many classes you attended in the last week, what was your performance, if there were any quizzes, tests, what was your performance. Then the best part of Iconic subscription is the parent connect. We have regular open hours available for parents to discuss your concerns with the academic mentor. And your parents, with the help of the academic mentor, can devise a strategy for you to make you successful. Then we have an option of study planner, a study tracker plan with monthly reviews that highlight your progress. It will highlight your weak areas, your strong areas, and then you can discuss with your mentor to how to polish your rough areas. And in the Iconic subscription, you get all the benefits of Plus. All these five benefits would come in Iconic subscription. Now that we are done with a brief about Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, let's start with the question and answers. Okay, so these are the one liners, you have to give the answers in one line. Question number one says, how old are Margie and Tommy? Yes, what is the age of Margie and Tommy? Tommy is, Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Age of Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13. Yeah? Next question. What did Margie write in her diary? What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote about the real book, that Tommy found a real book. And this was the exact language. Margie wrote in her diary, today, 17th May 2157, Tommy found a real book. That today on 2157, today on 17th May 2157, Tommy found a real book. Alright? Then, had Margie seen a book before? क्या मार्गी ने पहले कभी रियल बुक देखी थी? नहीं. She's always been learning from the telly books and she hated her school, the teacher and the telly books. So Margie had never seen a real book. But when she saw a real book, she couldn't believe her eyes. She couldn't believe that the letters were still in the real books. And she also find it kind of funny that when you've read the chapter, when you've passed the exam, you do not need that real book. But what happens in telebooks, you can save millions of subjects and chapters and classes in a telebook. Next question. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. You can write in the comment section. Then the next question is, what things about the book did she find strange? What were the things that she found strange? The book had yellow and wrinkled pages because it was years old. So the pages were yellow, they were brittle, they were wrinkled. They had too many folds in it, and the pages have become so brittle, so weak that they had turned yellow in color. The words of the book were still. Still means the books in the book, the words in the books were not moving. They were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen, because the words on the computer screen move. But in the books, they are still, they're steady. So she found all these things strange. She found all these things strange. Why did she find it strange? Because she has never seen a real book before. This was her first encounter with a real book. What do you think is a telebook? What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is displayed on your television screen. And the text is similar to your real book, but the book is in a soft copy. It is displayed on the screen, the text is moving, and you can save a million copies, million chapters, million classes in your telebook. But if you are done with your real book, you have to throw it away. You needn't throw it away. You can give it to some needy person. All right. Next question. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Now this is the sad part of Margie's life, that her school was near her bedroom. There was a separate room in her own house that was her school room, and she used to study alone. She did not have any classmates. She did not have any classmates. This was the sad and the lonely part of the story. What subjects did Tommy and Margie learn? What are the subjects that are mentioned in the story that Margie and Tommy learn? Margie learned geography and mathematics. Margie's subjects were geography and mathematics, and Tommy learned history and mathematics. And Tommy learned history and mathematics. Okay, I'll ask the question. The question is, who said that my father knew as much as his teacher? Who said this? Write in the comment box. That my father knew as much as a teacher. Whose dialogue was it? This was Tommy's dialogue. Right. Now, you have to answer the questions with reference to the story. You have to say that who were the main characters of this dialogue, who said what. Alright? I wouldn't throw it away. Who said this? I wouldn't throw that away. Who says these words? These words were said by Margie. What does it refer to? What does it refer to? It refers to the real book. What is being compared by the speaker? What is it? What is this it being compared to by the speaker? The real book, it refers to the real book, and they are being compared with the tele books. The books of older generation are compared with the books of today's generation. That means real books are being compared with the tele books. Next. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. So the next dialogue is, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? Who does they refer to? They refers to Margie's grandfather's grandfather, or the students of older generation, the students of centuries ago, the students which were centuries ago. Yeah, right. Then what does regular mean here? Regular means the teacher of today's generation, the robotic teachers, the robotic teacher, the teacher of today's generation. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with the robotic teacher. The older, the human teacher is contrasted with robotic teacher. The human teacher is contradicted with, contrasted with real teacher. I mean, the real teacher, the human teacher is contrasted with the robotic, the mechanical teacher. Understood? Now, you have to give the answer in 30 words. Short answer type questions. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? So Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers, robotic teachers. So the answer would be Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. So the Margie and Tommy did not have a real teacher, they have a mechanical teacher. They were taught on computers and television screen. They were taught on the computer and the television screen. They didn't have a living person as a teacher. They didn't have a living person as a teacher. That means they had no real teacher. Who would teach the pupils in the classrooms? Who would teach the pupil in the classroom? They did not have any real teacher who would teach the pupil in the classroom. They had a school classroom in their own house in which they were taught individually. Why did Margie's mother send for county inspector? Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? First of all, who did Margie's mother send to the county inspector? The Margie's robotic teacher was sent to the county inspector. But why? So here is the answer. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. Because mechanical teacher was not functioning properly. It had some flaw. And what was the flaw? That it had been giving Margie test after test in geography, and the Margie was performing verse after verse. So maybe there was some technical default in the mechanical teacher, and it was giving some Margie wrong test in geography. And that is why Margie was performing verse after verse. So Margie's mother sent for the county inspector to fix the fault in the computer, to fix the fault in Margie's mechanical teacher. Alright? Next question. What did he do? What did he do? What does he refer to? The county inspector. So what county inspector did was he slowed down the mechanical teacher's speed. उसने mechanical teacher की speed को slow कर दिया up to a Margie's level, up to an average 10 years level. The mechanical teacher speed was controlled. So जो mechanical teacher की speed है ना, that was controlled and adjusted to Margie's IQ level. So so Margie and Tommy learned in a way that the mechanical teacher was set to a speed of Margie's and Tommy level, and he used to teach them according to their IQ level, not like us. Every student in the class learned the same thing, but this was not the case of Margie and Tommy. The teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted to their IQ level. Now next, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did county inspector do to help her? So why was she performing bad in geography? And what did county inspector do to help her? So Margie had been performing badly in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. So Margie had been performing worse and worse in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. He was displaying questions after questions, question after questions, and what the county inspector did was he adjusted the speed of county inspector to an average 10-year level. The speed of the mechanical teacher to an average 10-year level. Thus, mechanical teacher was speed and control according to Margie's IQ level, and then the county inspector ensured that the fault was in Margie's mechanical teacher and not with Margie, and her performance was quite satisfactory. Margie's performance was quite satisfactory. The county inspector assured this thing to Margie's mother. Okay? What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Now, like Margie, once Tommy's teacher had also been at fault, but what happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's teacher once taken away for nearly 1 month. टॉमी के टीचर को 1 महीने तक के लिए ले गया गया था बिकॉज द हिस्ट्री सेक्शन वाज कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक्ड आउट, क्योंकि जो टीचर का हिस्ट्री सेक्शन है वो कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक आउट हो गया था. इट वाज कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक्ड आउट. So Tommy had nothing to do during the period. So Tommy had nothing to do with during the period. So 1 महीने तक टॉमी के पास कुछ करने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. He just relaxed and enjoyed. He just relaxed when her teacher had gone, and enjoyed. And so Margie was also expecting the same. That county inspector will take Margie's teacher for a month and she will enjoy and relax. But Margie's teacher was fixed in just an hour. What did Margie have regular hours and days for school? Yes, Margie had days and hours for school because her mother said little girls did better, learn better if they learn at the regular hours. So she used to learn on the same day every day except for Saturdays and Sunday. So Margie's Saturdays and Sundays were off. Otherwise, she used to learn on the regular time. Now, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? What was Tommy's description of old kind of school? Tommy says that old schools were very different. How were they different? They had a special building and all kids went to study. So they had a special building and the special building was called school and all the kids from the neighborhood went there. They laughed and they shouted in the schoolyard. They used to go to school together. They used to have lunch together. They used to play together. They used to learn all subjects, including different activities and music together. They enjoyed their time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. And if one student had a problem, they could ask the problems with their schoolmates, their classmates, because everybody learned the same thing. So this way of studies were fun. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? How does he describe the old kind of teachers? He says that old teachers did not live in their house. They had a special building and all kids went there. They gave the they gave homework to students. The school teachers gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers. They were not the mechanical teachers. They were the real teachers. They were the real human beings. All right? And we have that emotional connect with our teachers. The students of older generation have this real connect with their teachers. And they used to help them in their studies and in their life also. All right? Understood? Now, what are the main features of mechanical teachers and schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Now you have to write this answer in almost 150 words. So Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. They need not go to school for getting a formal education. The mechanical teacher is placed in one room of their house and they can get knowledge of various subjects from one teacher only. So the mechanical teacher lived in their house. They have a separate room in their own house and all subjects are taught by only one teacher. They don't have such classrooms where students went together. They study from telebooks. They did not study from real books. They study from telebooks. So they do not require books and exercise books. The examination is very different. They do homework in different ways. Margie had to write them in a punch code. And she learned that punch code and she learned learned them in the punch code when she was 6 years old. So the system of their education is technologically advanced and is not based on printed books. But this education system is really sad because they did not have friends. They could not study in groups. They did not go to study in school. They did not have that connect with the teacher. So these are the main features of mechanical teachers and mechanical schoolrooms. All right. Now the last question. Why did Margie hate school? Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think that old kind of school must have been fun? Why did Margie hate her own school and why did she think that the old kind of school was fun? Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her own house. She was supposed to sit in that room and alone and complete her homework and assignments. Whereas the students of earlier generation used to do the homework in groups with the help of their friends. The part Margie hated the most was where she had to put her homework and test papers. So she had to do with the help of a punch code. She thought that the whole school must have been fun because students used to sit together in the classroom. They used to learn together. They used to work together. They enjoyed, they laughed, they shouted in the schoolyards. And they had friends. Children needed company to enhance their skills. Obviously, you learn nothing better when you have a good company. If they're isolated, they get depressed and dejected. If they're isolated, they get depressed and dejected. Therefore, she had a longing for a real school rather than a mechanical school. Alright? Now, if you have any doubts, you can tell me tomorrow at 6. Tomorrow at 6, we'll be doing a quiz on the fun they had. We will be doing a quiz on the fun they had. So, stay tuned. Now, if you haven't downloaded the Unacademy app yet, please download the Unacademy app yet from the App Store. It looks like this. Go to Manage Goals. Select 9th and 10th. CBSE 9th and 10th. Then go to Plus. Go to Get Subscription and take subscription from Unacademy Plus. These are the various subscription plans you can choose. And do not forget to use my code Chandra10 for an additional 10% discount. And these are the various forms of payments: debit card, credit cards, EMI, UPI, wallets, net banking. You can choose from any of them. Then please subscribe to Just 9 and 10. Tell your friends and family about it so that all of us can learn together. Because even you know that this way of learning is much better than learning alone. And do not forget to use my code Chandra10 if you're planning to take Iconic subscription or Plus subscription. So that was it, students. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment sections. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye. Take care.